Hello.
Officer Denham, I want to play a game.
You can shut up. Anyway, pick up the phone. Are you there? Please be there.
The call you just made to your son, he's safe. But there's something you need to do if you want him back.
So who the hell are ya? You know, what are we doing here? What's gonna happen to us? I'm gonna slap you in a second if you talk like that again.
Stop. Old man walking across the room, nothing unusual. Smelly hobbit.
So who are you, old man? I mean, you're pretty old here. What are you doing here? Do you know what's going on? Do you want to tell me? Right now, man. I ain't playing.
This guy called Jigsaw, I'm sure you heard of him. We're in his game. That's why there's a sign over there saying you're now playing Jigsaw. If we want to get out of here, we're gonna have to work together.
Hello? Who may I ask who's calling, please?
I want to play a game. There's a key to the cellar door. This is gonna start lighting up in flames. But to save yourself, you must find that key and open the cellar door. And why did the phone just change right now?
Well, can you tell us where the exit is?
No, that's part of the game, you idiot. You got a couple seconds. Starting now.
Gisela, quick!
Now listen, you're screaming a lot. You're freaking out. And it's really starting to annoy me. So shut up, or I'll slap you again. What are you doing? Are you starting to cry? That is it. Turn around. Turn around. Yeah, turn around right now. Do it. Whatching? Did you just growl at me?
Maybe I did.
Gee, I need to find a way out of here. Oh my goodness. Come on, there has to be something in here we can use. Ah, ha ha. I don't know what this is, but it looks cool. I think I'm gonna... Look, this thing says here that there's poison running through our veins. And we have to find the cure.
What are you talking about?
Well,
Well, Mr. Denham, we finally meet.
A balada.
this is what you get for killing my son. Die now.
You can't kill me. Now I'm gonna lift this time bomb, and you have to find the key to, stop the thing.
Darn you! Why is there a key to a bomb anyway?
Who do you think you are?
Trying to play me? I'm not liking it. I'm the chief, and I'm gonna stab you silly.
Problem. You are white. The only person that can stop this is a black guy. I mean African American.
You gonna die tonight.
That's just the problem. I'm already dying of cancer. What more can you do to me? Now listen up. Your son's gonna die unless you act now.
That's it. I can't take it anymore. She's crying. I'm gonna do something about it. I'm doing it right now. Shut up. Shut up. Wait a second. You're working for Jigsaw, aren't you?
You catch on quickly. That's expected. After all, we both know where we come from. Ouch.
Soda! Ugh, it sucks.
What I did to Clint Moosehead was... Okay, he's in a better place now. Definitely in a better place than this. Sorry, Xavier. I need that formula. Yeah.
Hold it, Bucky. Now listen to me. You're gonna. Oh, I didn't mean to pull the trigger there. Crap. Yeah, this is kind of awkward. But yeah. Did you just poop your pants? Giggles. I love the song. Ba 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 da ba ba da ba ba da ba.
Sorry, man. I need that serum. It's mine.
So has Clint gone up to pick up some crumpets?
Yes, he has. So why don't you shut up?